This is the story of Mr. Snell who lives in the land of happy. Once upon a time in the land of happy, there was a little man who was not so. He was angry and mean and snappy, and everyone wondered what to do. The man, whose name was Mr. Snell, lived in a home made out of oyster shell. It was in a forest so deep and so dark that no one would go in there very far. So Mr. Snell became lonely, petty, and unhappy. That now we know why he was so snappy. And whenever he would hurry into town, there was never a smile and always a frown. The people of Happyland got very worried that Mr. Snell never ever did smile. For in this cheerful town, no one was hurried, and on every face there was a happy sigh. And that is when the townspeople decided that it was time that this was righted. They came together and thought, then found the idea that they sought. All the happy people would cast a spell and take the forest away from the house of Snell. And that is what they exactly did do. And into the town landed the house made out of oyster shell. Today, all the people in Happyland do smile, for there is no one who is lonely, mean, or shy. And as for Mr. Snell, who used to be angry, mean, and snappy, he always smiles and is the happiest of the happy. Wasn't that fun?